All right. So for those who are wanting to know how to build this propane on-demand water heater, which is to the right of the hot tub here, I'm going to kind of explain how to do it. So the finished product looks basically like this. We have a ball valve on the top, which basically controls how fast the water goes through the copper coils inside the heater, which makes it either hotter the slower the water goes or cooler the faster the water goes. So the first thing you're going to need is a convection air heater. The one I have is by Mr. Heater and it's an 80,000 BTU. The next we're going to need 100 lineal feet of 3/8 ID half-inch OD copper coil. So what I did is I wrapped the coil around a 5-gallon bucket and made a little cap, as you can see on the top. The bottom, I just did a full circle with no cap, so it's just the same outer diameter. Then what you're going to do is you're going to want to mount that copper coil inside the bottom half of the heater. Eventually it'll look like this, but don't block those bottom grates, those holes. You want the air to go through. So the bottom there is the heater, and on the right there's a little inlet. So make sure you don't block the airflow on the bottom, which will allow the propane to circulate. On the top half, you're going to want to put the coil in a cap like, as you can see here, that'll catch the most amount of heat. And however you want to mount it, whatever works for you, I just use some bars and some ready rod. The distance between the two, I just added a threaded coupler to join the two copper coils together. And in the end, basically you have this heater as it looks here. So hope that helps. If you have any questions, just shoot me a comment or send me an email.